Hi, I'm Florencia from Gonzalo's Cosa Lab at McGill University, and in this video we will be showing you how to prepare a cover slip surface for single molecule imaging.
A key aspect in a single molecule fluorescence experiment is to minimize or eliminate non-specific binding of fluorescence impurities to the surface. It is important to minimize unwanted background while preserving biomolecule viability. These non-specific interactions can be inhibited by passivating the surface using polyethylene glycol-silane, and our group reported an efficient surface passivation protocol for single molecule studies. The protocol consists in 4 steps. The first one is surface cleaning. Surface cleaning is a key step as it removes organic impurities that can not only block the attachment of PEG, but can also be fluorescent. And this is done by using Piranha solution. The next step is surface etching. Besides cleaning, Piranha also hydroxylates the surface to a certain extent. These silanol groups are necessary to anchor PEG, therefore they need to be maximized. For this, we use a sodium hydroxide solution. The next step is to ensure water-free conditions, and for this we soak the cover slips in acetone. And finally, the preparation of the polyethylene glycol coated surface. In the rest of the video, we will show you in detail how to do this last step. Let's get started.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you find this video useful and stay tuned for more videos like this one.